Good day, everybody. Hey, thanks for joining me. I'm going to go ahead and do a review video on this pet grooming kit by FruSun. Here's everything that came in the box. I'm going to go ahead and go through each one of these attachments and kind of see what they do, as well as the operation of the vacuum and the cutters and all that stuff. It comes with a cleaning brush, the hose, one of these nozzles, electric clippers, they call this a food hair clipper. It's a nail grinding piece, a de-shedding tool, a grooming brush, and the clipping combs. So you got 3mm, 9mm, 16mm, and 24mm display board. Now, on the vacuum here, I've already plugged it in and turned it on. So go ahead and slide this right in here. When you want to take it off, you just push that button right there. Easy in, easy out. There it's on there. Vacuum. And this here, that's the gear shift button. More vacuum. There's level 3. Back down to 1, 2, 3 is the highest. Turn it off for right now. Okay, they call 1 silence mode, 2 standard mode, and 3 boost mode. Okay, the directions here kind of list what each one is used for. After using these two, here you got to put some batteries. It's okay to use this with the vacuum, but as far as the motor in there, you're going to need to put some double A's in there. Okay, the nail grinder actually goes with this, and so to take this off, you just twist that, and you keep twisting that off, and it'll pop right off of the head on this. And that comes off of there. And then this one, you can see, just goes right on there. There's the nail grinding head. Okay, the first one we're going to try out is this grooming brush. So I just connected it to the hose. Now I'm going to fire it up. Go ahead and go on speed 3 here. Okay, next thing we're going to do is go ahead and use this with the 24mm for starters. So this just goes right on here. We're going to start with this and then probably make our way down to the shorter ones here. And the vacuum is doing its job. I'll show you a shot of the vacuum right now. Okay, this was pretty long, so we're just going to go ahead and bump down a size here to the 16. Okay, now to empty the hair out of this thing, here's how you do it. Just unsnap this right here, and you can dump the hair out. It just snaps right back in there. Ready to go again. Okay, we went down another level too on the brush there to get his coat just a little bit shorter. Okay, now we're gonna get his nails with the nail trimming attachment. Hey, how you like your new haircut?